morning, Mariners. I'm Will.
And I'm Kai.
And you're watching Episode 0 Good Morning Pacifica. Welcome back. We're so excited to kick off another school year with you guys.
To start things off today, let's meet the team working behind the scenes on Mariner Media this year.
Check it out.
Taking on a journey, I got places to go. If you're looking for me, baby, you know you can find me following the sun. Somewhere running up my heartbeat, I don't look behind me, following the sun.
Show me I don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Best friend's house, going round this roundabout, oh yeah. Take me to your best friend's house. I love you then and I love you now, oh yeah. Don't take it so tight, don't wave no goodbye.
It's great to see all those new and returning faces on staff.
Definitely. Next up, we've got some important announcements to get your school year started off right.
Monday, we kick off the year by welcoming you to Pacifica High School and reviewing school expectations for a strong start. Tuesday is all about getting organized with your planner and getting ready for a successful year. Wednesday is a late start, so make sure you plan ahead and arrive ready for the day. Thursday, you'll learn about 5-star digital hall passes and how to earn anchor points. Friday, we wrap up the week with our Welcome Back Assembly featuring ASB, performances from our amazing groups, and school spirit. Monday, we'll review important campus safety procedures and get everyone ready for tutorial. Tuesday, freshmen will learn how tutorial works, and grades 10 through 12 will begin tutorial. Wednesday is a late start, so be sure to plan ahead and be ready for the day. Thursday, tutorial continues, so use that time well for support, assignments, and academic check-ins. Friday, freshmen will wrap up the week with field day, while grades 10 through 12 will attend tutorial. Let's have a great 26-27 school year, Mariners.
Hey seniors, senior tie-dye has been rescheduled to after school this Friday the 14th. Come out to the field at 3:20 and don't forget to bring your shirts. ASB is selling white t-shirts for $5 and will provide free snacks and refreshments. See you there!
Make sure you mark those dates on your calendars, Mariners.
Up next, we're checking in on what's been going on around campus and what to look forward to this semester.
Let's take a look.
Good morning, Mariners, and welcome to the 26-27 school year. I hope each of you have had an amazing summer filled with fun, rest, and time with family and friends. Whether you're returning to Pacifica or joining us for the very first time, we're excited to have you here this year. It's going to be a year filled with new opportunities, new friendships, and new memories. A lot has been happening on campus this summer. First, I want to give a huge shout out to our incredible custodial and maintenance teams. They work tirelessly to clean, paint, organize, and prepare our campus so it would be ready to welcome everyone back. Thank you for everything you do behind the scenes to make Pacifica look amazing, custodial crew. Our athletic programs stayed busy all summer with camps, conditioning, and team training. It's exciting to see so many Mariners working hard and preparing for another great year of competition. Please help me give a warm Mariner welcome to the newest members of our Pacifica family. We have Miss Moreno in room 309, Mrs. Chang in room 203, Mrs. Hoyt in room 508, Mr. Lamb in room 208, and Mrs. Freeman in room 209. If you see them around campus, be sure to introduce yourself and make them feel at home. We're excited to have each of them join our Mariner family. As we begin this school year, my hope is that every Mariner feels connected, challenged, and supported. I encourage each of you to get involved, ask questions, try something new, and don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. This year, our staff is focused on working together in alignment, so every student has a consistent, high-quality experience in every classroom, every day. We want every Mariner to feel that they belong, know they are capable of great things, and understand that there are adults here who believe in them and are ready to help them succeed. Let's challenge ourselves to show kindness, respect, and take pride in making Pacifica an outstanding place to learn. Here's to an incredible year ahead. Stay connected, get involved, support one another, and remember, once a Mariner, always a Mariner. Have a fantastic first week. Go Mariners!
It's great to see everything coming together for the new year.
Absolutely. And speaking of getting back into the swing of things, our team has a special feature ready for you.
Let's throw it over to the crew.
How would you describe your team going into the season?
When you talk about a team, it's not just the big three, big four players. You know, we're all part of this big family.
We are very good, and we are projected to do the best we've ever done.
What is one trait you've seen symbolizes and how?
I think one of the best traits we have is being scrappy, because obviously our program isn't as big as the other schools, but we got a lot of heart.
I would say hard work. I feel like at every practice, especially like all the younger people that just came up.
Grit. Grit is something that, you know, not a lot of people possess, but when someone does possess it, you can't stop them, no matter what.
If you don't have that bond and you can't communicate like that, it just won't work well.
That as long as we stay dedicated and keep working hard, that we can push through CIF and make it far.
How confident are you going into this season?
I'm very confident that we'll be able to show improvement throughout the season and also take on any challenges as they come to us.
I'm really confident. So the team we have now, going into our senior year, I've been playing with these guys for 4 years now, so I trust them as more than like anybody I know.
Describe how your team works with each other.
Communication's a big thing on our team, so we work very well together. I think we have a lot of good communication, so that should help us a lot this season also.
This is a team sport, so communication is obviously key.
Even though I'm a senior, without me, the team is still in good hands, and I believe that they will still keep going and doing great, and they will get better and better as we progress throughout the years.
That was awesome.
Next up, we sent our team out to capture the memories of WHAM.
Let's see what the 9th graders had to say.
Hey guys, we're at WHAM.
Let's go see what our incoming freshmen are up to.
Pass the mic.
Who am I here with?
Avalon.
What are you most looking forward to for freshman year?
Probably like meeting new friends and going to football games and fun activities like that. Hi, who am I here with?
Cooper.
And what class are you most excited for?
Spanish.
Who am I here with?
Quinn.
What's one goal you have for freshman year?
I want to join as many clubs as I can.
Who am I here with? Lexi. Are you joining any clubs or sports this year? I'm joining decathlon and marching band.
Hi, who am I here with?
I'm JD Rodriguez.
And what's your first impression of being on campus?
I think it's a very nice campus, a lot of friendly faces. I think it's going to be a good year.
Who am I here with?
Peyton Jennings.
What's something new that you want to try in high school?
I'm going to try volleyball and track. Hi, I'm here with Miss Murphy. And Miss Murphy, can you tell us what the Mariner Mentor Program is?
So Mariner Mentors is a group of mostly juniors and seniors and some sophomores who are paired one-on-one with our freshmen. We are the class of 2030, welcoming them today here at our WHAM. We started as kind of a grassroots link crew, and it's flourished and had many different faces over the last couple years, but they are there for guiding, questions, how to get involved, and just generally making the freshmen feel comfortable when they come on our campus.
I'm here with Liz Lowry. Can you tell us what the core freshman support team is and what it does?
Oh yes, the core freshman support team is looking at helping support freshmen and making sure that they're successful in their first year of high school, because studies show that if people are successful in their freshman year, that they're more successful in 10th through 12th grade.
I'm here with Nina Patel, the Mariner Mentor student leader. What's the most rewarding part of being a leader of the program?
Seeing them grow and learn throughout high school and getting more involved with different activities.
Is there anything you'd like to directly say to our new freshman class?
Make sure to get involved. These 4 years go by really quickly and just have fun.
Hi, I'm here with Kai, one of the Mariner mentors.
Hi, guys.
What's one thing you wish you knew as a freshman?
One thing I wish I knew as a freshman is just how welcoming everyone is, because I think my freshman year I was kind of scared. I mean, everyone's kind of scared their freshman year, so I just want all the freshmen to know like they're welcome to talk to me and really anyone around campus and just get to know people, because yeah, we might be older, but we're not scary.
Hi, I'm here with Lucia, and Lucia, how has being a mentor changed you?
Being a mentor has helped me to come out of my shell, and it's really nice to see how people grow throughout the year.
That's perfect, thank you.
I'm here with Charlotte, and what's your favorite school tradition or event?
Probably Clash of Classes, 'cause I like doing the dance.
Pass the mic.
Running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself. She's been living on the highest shelf. And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side.
Love seeing everyone back on campus.
Before we wrap up today's show, we have one last important announcement that you don't want to miss.
Take a look. Welcome to Point to Win, the only game show where earning points at school can earn you, well, more points. Let's meet our contestants. First up, Jaden.
I'm ready to win. I studied absolutely nothing.
Next up, Jalen.
I'm ready.
Question 1. Which of these is a great way to earn anchor points?
Easy, sleeping through your first period.
That wasn't even one of the options.
Actually, it's all of the above.
Next question. If you see someone drop all their books, what should you do?
Obviously, take all their books and run.
Definitely not. Jalen?
Helping someone without being asked is a positive action.
Last question. Why should students care about earning anchor points?
Because points make me better at math.
Not quite.
Students get rewarded for positive choices and get recognized for it.
Looks like Jalen takes the win today.
Maybe I should start earning some anchor points instead of losing game show points.
Exactly. Get out there, start doing some good, and earning points.
See you around campus.
Well, Mariners, that's all we have for today's season premiere of Good Morning Pacifica.
Here's to a great year.